Analytical Professor of the Year. I know this award by heart because I was nominated twice. And I have two amazing women that I really know and love, also nominated this year. I cannot do the serious voice like Errol does, so I'm sorry. But I can do the look and the walk. Anyway, let's see the public votes. Who has the clicker? Is Linda, Johan, Alexander, all the three of you here? Yes?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? And wait. Somebody mix properly. I'm so excited. And the Analytical Professor of the Year is?
Linda.
My friend Linda! Come on here! Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Wow, I really didn't expect this. So I'm super proud, obviously. I'm super excited. This is not just my work. Obviously, I have some excellent colleagues and a really amazing team that is standing by me in everything that we do at Electrolux. So this is really for the joint work that we do together. And I'm also super excited to see how, actually it's now the second industrial company on stage being rewarded.
That's true.
And I have to say that
Industry
the
rocks.
real, yeah, in these awards, yes. But I would say like the investments and the big transformation that is going on is coming mainly in the industrial companies. So if you want to be on the forefront in terms of driving sustainability, in driving the innovation of actually this nation, it is a lot of interesting things happening in industrial companies in Sweden right now. So hope more of you join me, and thank you so much.
Congratulations.